Hi, I'm Graham from ETC. We've got a bunch of new products on our stand here today. One particularly is the source forward fixture up here. So this is the new LED light engine for the source forward fixture. So this is actually a retrofit on the spot up above my head there. This is just a very simple switch over at the back end of the fixture, so you can use your existing fixture, lens and barrel. You take out the back burner from there, and it's just one screw to change that over. So it's a really quick, simple retrofit. You can line dim this, or you can DMX control it. It takes DMX directly in the back there, and it can be line dimmed as well. The other options here you've got are the Parnell and the PAR. So one is the daylight version. We have the gallery version of the Spot here. So this is a 90 CRI, 3200 Kelvin engine, and the Parnell is running the standard version, which is 80 CRI, and that's also 3200 Kelvin. So they're a really nice low energy replacement for your tungsten lamps or for your HID lamps. So we hope that they're going to be really useful for a lot of our end users. And if you want any more information about those, you can see it on our website at etcconnect.com or come by and see us here.